Hello, I am Aking. Welcome to the Aidio킹덤 channel. Today, I bring you an earring idea that will make you look 1.5 times prettier. Fashion perfection. These are drop type for earring that will make you more elegant and beautiful.
리얼 코리아, 진짜 한국, 아이디어 킹덤.
Let's start with a comparison. I'm not wearing any earrings right now. It's not bad, but don't you feel like something's missing? The soft curve of the fur blends in with a neckline and dangles like a raindrop. They add a natural, elegant flow to your overall look, perfect for creating a sophisticated vibe. Now let's talk about how match them with your clothes. These earrings goes well with almost any outfit, whether it's black, white, or floral blouse. White, on the other hand, gives us soft and understated feelings. It brings out the natural beauty of furs without being too over the top. Together, they create a calm yet elegant look. The contrast between black and pearl gives a really attractive and stylish look. Black always emphasizes the shine and elegance of fur. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and pearls. The floral prints add a fresh feminine feel, while the furs add a touch of luxury. I would choose these drop-shaped pearls. Simple, timeless, and elegant. Remember, you don't need a lot to make a big difference. Sometimes, all you need is a perfect pair of earrings. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you.
리얼 코리아, 진짜 한국, 아이디어 킹덤.
상상이 현실이 되다.
리얼 코리아, 진짜 한국, 아이디어 킹덤.
Aking friends, have a fun, make a happy every day with Idea Kingdom. 또 만나요. See you next time. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Love you.